Telegram, the messaging app, which has looked to absorb much of the messaging volume from WhatsApp, who has been under increased scrutiny due to its privacy policy updates, has made it even easier for you to transition from WhatsApp to its program. You can now import, this is really current, recent news. I believe this happened today in version 7.4. You can now import your entire WhatsApp chat history into Telegram so you don't lose anything. And I don't know, I can imagine this is important to people. It's not super important to me. I don't know if you feel the need to hang on to all your old chats. Some people, it's very sentimental.
Right.
I'm kind of but it could be one of those friction points holding people back that they would just say, I just don't want to start everything over, you know?
Yeah.
Got all these variety of chats going on. I'm sure people have maybe information stored in their chats that is useful to them that they have to reference or search through at a certain point in time for a piece of information or an address or I don't know, you know, something like this.
Well, I would say it would be like multimedia stuff, like pictures, shared pictures.
Shared pictures would be a big one. So yeah, so there's definitely an incentive here, and this is a feature that I can imagine many people would see as useful. And anything, you know, it kind of just reminds me of like when you switch phones and you have the migration apps, and it makes it feel a little bit less, although none of those migration apps, by the way, work perfectly, but still it makes it feel a little less intimidating to make the switch. So for those that were holding off for this particular reason, those WhatsApp users, they may now have enough incentive to switch to Telegram, and maybe it gives Telegram a strategic advantage over Signal, but who knows, maybe Signal can add the feature as well. By the way, it's not just WhatsApp. They've added the capability to also import from Line and KakaoTalk. I don't know what those messaging apps are, but it seems to be an agenda within Telegram to make transition more simple.